Dear friends, welcome to a transformative odyssey. Discovering Zen, a path to inner serenity. In this awe-inspiring 8-part lecture series, we invite you to embark on a profound exploration of self-enlightenment and tranquility. Zen, a timeless philosophy steeped in the wisdom of the East, promises to be your guiding light as you navigate the tumultuous seas of modern life. Prepare to be deeply moved and spiritually enlightened as we delve deep into the very essence of Zen and the life-altering principles it offers. The essence of Zen. Close your eyes for a moment and let your imagination carry you to a world where the relentless chatter of your mind gently fades into the background. Envision a reality where you find solace, not by escaping the chaos, but by embracing it. Imagine each moment as a wellspring of profound contentment, free from the shackles of past regrets and the weight of future uncertainties. This, my dear friends, is the tantalizing promise of Zen, a path that transcends words and leads us toward an inner awakening that is nothing short of extraordinary. At its heart, Zen is not a mere philosophy. It is a profound spiritual journey that beckons us to explore the depths of our being. It defies categorization and transcends the boundaries of traditional thought. Zen is an invitation to embark on a quest that takes us straight to the core of our existence. A journey where the mundane becomes sacred. But what precisely is the essence of Zen? And how can it illuminate your life? Let us embark on this exploration together, allowing the gentle currents of Zen to carry us toward newfound understanding. Zen, in its purest essence, is an invitation to uncover the truth about reality and the self. It implores us to fully engage with the present moment, urging us to cast aside the heavy baggage of the past and the ceaseless worries of an uncertain future. It is a profound call to embrace the current moment in all its raw and unfiltered authenticity. In doing so, we find ourselves stepping into a sanctuary, a place where the ceaseless tumult of our minds finds respite, and where we unearth the profound simplicity and inherent beauty of existence. As we embark on this lecture series, we shall gradually unravel the intricate tapestry of Zen's main principles. However, our journey begins here, with the intimate understanding of the very essence of Zen itself. Brace yourselves for an emotional odyssey, a quest that will lead us to the shores of self-discovery and enlightenment. Together, we shall peel back the layers of mystery surrounding Zen, unveiling the treasures it holds, gifts that have the power to infuse serenity and mindfulness into the fabric of our daily lives.